They studied our brains in labs and in love, from monkeys to married couples paired like gloves. The amygdala fires, the cortex aligns. Empathy is coded in neural designs. Rhesus monkeys see pain in each other's faces. To stop electric shocks, they will act in each other's places. In humans, the signals run so deep, from brain to heart, the currents leap. Empathy flows in the quiet of the mind, where calm meets the signals we can find. But anger's raw blocks the subtle call. Empathy fades and we lose it all. Spouses who move to each other's cues, their bodies attune and their love renews. They see the unseen, the feelings unspoken, a connection that mends, a bond unbroken. It starts with the nerves, with a gentle sway, guiding the heart to a kinder way. Through evolution, some claim to see that altruism grew into morality. Empathy flows in the quiet of the mind, where calm meets the signals we can find. But anger's raw blocks the subtle call. Empathy fades and we lose it all. Evolution whispers it's more than survival. Empathy blooms into altruism's rival. From feeling to giving, to ethics we grow, a rational path that our spirits show. Empathy flows in the quiet